Hi guys, welcome again sa vlog ko. This time, I'll take you along with me sa isang exhibit na called Nurture by Rika. Ang ganda ng mga paintings dito. Ito yung nagustuhan ko dito. Yan. And if I got it correct, the name of the painting is Flor de Pavon. It's by Summer Pasena, and mabibili mo siya dito sa Robinson's Galleria ng 12,000. So ang taas ng worth niya. Ito pa yung mga ibang paintings. Ang tawag sa mga collection na to ay Nurture because it's all about flowers. Yan. Ito rin maganda. Parang grass siya. It's by Summer Pasena, also called Flora. And it's worth 130,000 pesos. That's a big amount. This also those two. Ito din gusto ko din. It's called Cradle of Desire by Summer Pasena also. Ito, I think this is cool. Ito, I think this one is great. Yan na yung ending, and makikita mo siya dito sa Robinson's Galleria. Binibenta lahat nila yung mga paintings dito. Ito siya sa tawag sa kanya Nurture or Tablado. It is by Rika Sena and Summer Pasena. Paintings. It will run from April 1 to 15, 2024 this year at Art Tablado level 3 Robinson's Galleria. So if you are interested in paintings, you can come visit here. After this vlog, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you can also subscribe to my other social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, Melic Junior. See you guys again. Hope you enjoyed it.